Hey there, crochet lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Totoro plushie completely no-sew. If you're a fan of Studio Ghibli or just love cuddly creations, this project is perfect for you. Here's what you'll need to get started: chunky yarn in gray and white, worsted acrylic yarn in black, plastic 6mm eyes, white felt for detailing, a 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, scissors, stitch marker, and fabric glue, polyfill. Gather these, and let's bring Totoro to life. Let's start with Totoro's body using gray yarn. Take the end of your yarn and form a loop, making sure the tail is behind the working yarn. Insert your crochet hook into the loop from front to back and pull the working yarn through. Now chain 1 to secure the loop. Then we will work 8 single crochet stitches into the center of the ring. Make sure mark the first stitch. Once you've made all 8 stitches, pull the tail tightly to close the loop and form a circle. For round 2, we will make 8 increase stitches. An increase means working 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Repeat this for each stitch around. By the end of this round, you'll have 16 stitches total. For round 3, crochet 3 single crochet stitches, then work an increase, repeat 4 times. This will bring your total to 20 stitches. For round 4, simply single crochet around for 20 stitches. For round 5, we will first crochet single crochet 5 stitches in gray, then we will make a bobble stitch. To make a bobble stitch, start by yarning over your hook and inserting it into the stitch where you want the bubble. Yarn over again, pull through the stitch, yarn over, and pull through just the first 2 loops on your hook. This creates the base of the bubble. Repeat this 2 more times in the same stitch until you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then we will crochet 2 single crochet. Before you finish the last single crochet, change to the white yarn. Next 4 single stitches will be white. Then we will crochet 2 single crochet in gray, bobble stitch, and finish with 5 single crochet. You can gently push the bobble stitch outward to make it pop. For round 6 to 8, crochet 7 single crochet stitches in gray, 6 in white for the belly, and 7 more in gray. Once you finish using the white yarn, cut it and tie a knot to secure it in place. For round 9, crochet 3 single crochet stitches, then decrease by working 2 stitches together. Repeat this 4 times. To make a decrease stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch you want to decrease. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull through this stitch. Yarn over one last time and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now you can add stuffing to the body. For round 10, decrease 8 times. To finish off, thread the yarn needle with the yarn end. Find the loops on each stitch. Sew through outside loop of each stitch around the hole. When you've gone all the way around, pull the yarn tight like a drawstring to close the hole. Weave in the yarn to secure it. Now for those iconic pointy ears. Here's how to crochet them directly onto Totoro's body. Chain 3 on round 2 on body. From the second stitch from hook, slip stitch. Single crochet and slip stitch again into the base. You can make a knot of these yarn end to secure. Repeat this for the second ear, and voila! Totoro is almost done. Next, we'll make the eyes. Start by drawing 2 circles using a pen cap or measuring a diameter of 0.5 inches. Cut out the circles, attach them between round 3 and round 4 of the crochet piece, leaving about 4 stitches of space between them. Apply a small amount of glue to the felt circles, then press the 6mm eyes onto the felt to secure them. And here he is. Your no-sew Totoro is ready to brighten your day. I'd love to see your creations, so tag me on social media with your Totoro plushies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss my next no-sew crochet project. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!